Today we're going to talk about traveling. Traveling is so much fun, but it can also be stressful if you don't prepare well in advance. When you travel, there are lots of important things to remember, like your passport, money, and of course your luggage. But what if you forget something important? What if you forget your wallet or your keys? Don't worry.
Oh.
Here are 5 easy steps to help you remember everything you need before you travel. No. 1. Make sure you have a passport. A passport is an official document that lets you travel from one country to another. Passports usually have your photo and other information on the front, and they have a special microchip inside. The most important thing to remember is that you must have a passport that is not expired. If your passport is expired, you may have problems when you try to travel. Before you travel, check the expiration date on your passport. If your passport has been used a lot, it may be a good idea to get a new one with a photo. No. 2. Know your purpose of visit. It's important to know why you're traveling. Are you visiting family or friends? Maybe you're going on a business trip or a vacation. Or maybe you're going to study or work in another country. Whatever the reason for your visit, make sure you know it before you travel. This will help you pack the right things and prepare for your trip. For example, if you're going on vacation, you might want to pack a swimsuit and sunscreen. But if you're going on a business trip, you might want to pack a suit and tie. No. 3. Have a return ticket. A return ticket is a ticket that lets you travel to another country and back home again. If you're flying to another country, make sure you have a return ticket. Some countries require you to have a return ticket when you enter the country. If you don't have a return ticket, you may not be allowed to enter the country. Also, if you plan to stay in another country for a long time, you may need to get a visa. A visa is a special document that lets you stay in a country for a long time. No. 4. Have enough funds. It's important to have enough money when you travel. You never know when an emergency might happen. And if something happens, you'll be glad you have some extra cash on hand. Emergencies can be stressful, so it's important to be prepared. Before you travel, think about how much money you'll need for food, transportation, and other things. It's always a good idea to have a little extra money with you just in case something goes wrong. No. 5. Make a hotel reservation. A hotel reservation is a request to stay at a hotel. When you make a hotel reservation, you'll usually give the hotel your name, address, and credit card information. You'll also say how many nights you want to stay at the hotel. Then the hotel will save a room for you. When you arrive at the hotel, you'll go to the front desk and check in. The front desk is where you get the key to your room. Once you check in, you can put your things in your room and relax after a long day of traveling. Traveling is an amazing experience. It lets you see new places and experience new things. But it can also be stressful if you don't prepare well in advance. That's why it's important to remember these 5 easy steps before you travel. With a little bit of planning, you can have a safe and enjoyable trip. And now it's time for you to become a travel expert. Remember all those highlighted words? Well, here's your chance to show off your knowledge. Answer the following questions in the comments section below. No. 1. What's the first thing you should do before traveling to another country? No. 2. What does a passport allow you to do? No. 3. Why is it important to have a return ticket? No. 4. What should you do if something goes wrong during your trip? And no. 5. What is a hotel reservation? That's it for this lesson. I hope you learned how to remember everything you need before you travel. Don't forget to review the highlighted words. Click on the first link below to get a PDF version of this lesson with all the highlighted words and expressions. The second link will take you to our website where you can download a podcast of this lesson. Thanks for watching. Remember to click on the subscribe button to get more free videos. I'll see you next time.